What's up? Long time no see. This is Ike Pause, and I haven't made a video, tutorial, guide, review, and nothing since November 5th. Why? Well, maybe you can see from my face, I don't sleep well recently. We stopped nursing my son, and he really likes breast milk. So he's made a ruckus for the past week and a half or so. And when he is sleeping, I'm afraid to speak loudly or to make a video because I'm afraid he's gonna wake up. So he's had us, me and the rest of my family, hostage for the past couple of days. And I'm actually not in my home, in a different location here, shooting videos and whatnot. So yeah, why I'm making this video. So tomorrow I have a really cool case study where I took some traffic and sent my traffic through some questions, and how those questions pre-sold my traffic to specific offers and squeeze pages. So I got that coming to you tomorrow. Okay, so I hope you like that little case study I put together for you. I'm also going to show you how to do the exact same thing, like always. Okay, and that's about it. If you ever had this problem, the funny thing is, when we took my daughter off breast milk, she got over it in 4 days or so. My son, however, is not that easy. Okay. Anyways, I'm sure you don't want to hear my problems. What? I'm sure you got problems of your own. But just letting you know how things are. Yeah. Be good. Take care. And see you tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ciao. Bye-bye.